Hey everyone, and welcome back to Albert's Curious Kitchen. Today, we're going to make a true classic, the grilled cheese. Now, this is a simple, elegant combo, and you can also consider it a launching pad to explore flavor combinations. My go-to is sourdough. I love the crustiness and the flavor. Or you can try brioche for a touch of sweetness. And the secret to a golden brown crust? Butter. I've heard people rave about using mayo. Today I'm going to go with butter, but I do want to try the mayo. Next, let's talk cheese. I always opt for a good cheddar. Or there's Gruyere if you want to try a nutty flavor, or provolone if you want a more sharp cheese with a super melty pull. And then, of course, you can also combine. When it comes to the cheese, also, I recommend shredding from a block as opposed to pre sliced cheese. I know the pre sliced is more convenient, but I feel like shredding from the block gets you, number one, a purer cheese, and number two, more even distribution, especially in the corners of the bread. So let's go ahead and layer our cheese evenly to ensure that perfect melt in every bite. Now, I mentioned before kicking it up a notch, and even though today I'm going with the classic, we do have some ideas about what you can do to bring it to the next level. So some things I've loved and tried before: caramelized onions, which gives it a little bit of sweetness, roasted red peppers, or even a smear of pesto. I even like to add arugula. Okay, let's get it in our heated pan now. This is an exercise in patience, but trust it'll pay off. In the end, you'll end up with a perfect golden grilled cheese. All right, let's pull it off. And here we go. And there you have it, the perfect grilled cheese. So that's it for today. And remember, you can experiment with different breads, different cheeses, different flavor combos. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and join me next time on Albert's Curious Kitchen when we explore some more new recipes and flavors. Happy cooking!